Hello, today I'm going to solve another problem on the MG ZT T or the Rover 75 Tourer, the rear lights. Now, a bit of a faff to get out. You've got two screws under these here, and then on the back of the lights are like little balls which slot into plastic clips, which, as you can see here, you've got a little ball which slots into a plastic clip, which you can see is still attached to the ball rather than being attached to the car. And that's the problem. They either break or they snap off and you have problems. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is replace the plastic clips, and also you can see where the screw goes into. The rivet there is okay, but that one I've had to mangle it because it was totally knackered. So we're going to be using the MG Rover 75 and ZT Tourer Easy Rear Lamps Fixer Kit, which I purchased off eBay. I think it was just under £15, and hopefully that'll fix my broken lights and make them more secure and easier to remove if I need to. It'll also then get you an email when you buy the fixer kit, an email on actually fitting the clips, okay, and everything else. So in the packet you get 4 new clips, which are apparently more rated. They certainly look a lot thicker. Look at that, the difference in them. Much bigger, much more sturdy. I don't think these are going to snap. So that's a good start. 4 new bolts, because well, I had a mishmash of bolts on mine from the previous owner. And you also get 4 new rivet plugs and the tool for doing it. So I'll certainly need one. This one, I'm hoping I might just get the lever with the screws in. Actually, it doesn't look like it's going to actually. It's just me. It's hard work doing things one-handed. Oh no, it's going in. No, it's not. Solid. Try again. Yeah, there we go, that's better. So yeah, that should go in. No problem. So I'll just replace the one that's missing. 2 plastic clips, which well, the one snapped off, the other one I've knocked out there to show you, and then the one on the driver's side. So let's begin. So I removed the driver's side light now as well, and removed the plastic clips. Both of those were intact. They're not anymore, but I'm upgrading them. The one screw there is fine. The other one's got something stuck in the middle there, so I have to fix that one. So there's only 2 lots of these I need. So I've got 2 spares, and one's already attached there, so keep them for, well, I will say next time, but hopefully it won't be a next time. Once I've done this, that's it. 4 screws and 4 clips. So what you need to do with these clips is to pop a bit of sealant on there and pop them in. That'll give them a bit more of a grip on there, apparently, according to the instructions. So supply some sealant and put the clips in. So that's the way clips fitted. Nice and easy. Just put a bit of sealant on, as you can see, and they're a real good tight fit. So I had to put a little screwdriver just in the middle and just gentle tapping with a hammer, and it just clipped on home. Right, so I need to drill that one out and repair that one. A funny feeling that hole might be caught. I may need to just put a washer or something behind that. We'll see. Let's have a look, see what happens, see what it says in instructions. Okay, so passenger side is now done. It's the original top one, which is still in there and it works, so I haven't changed that one. 2 new clips, and I put them in the bottom one. Now, I didn't actually put a washer behind it because I did actually manage to just give the metal around it a bit of a bash, and it flattened out quite nicely, and it seems to have worked. Now, it's going to be difficult to show you what happens, but basically that screws through there. Okay, you stick it in the hole. You need a 13mm spanner to hold this nut here, which is loose, and you just hold it. Get a 10mm spanner, ratchet spanner is good. Tighten this long bolt up here, and it pulls it all in and crimps it. You then slacken this long bolt back off again, and then unwind the whole thing, and you should end up with that in the panel. So fairly straightforward. Connect that rear light, and then on the passenger side. That's I'm just going to drill that one out and put a new one in. So there we go. Fairly straightforward. What I also can do as well is on the back of the lights, on the little balls, put a bit of grease on there just to aid removal and insertion. Hope you found this helpful. Like I said, eBay, I bought these, the Easy Rear Lamp Fixer Kit. Comes with everything you need, and it seems to work pretty well. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave any comments. See you for another video.